Okay, today we're gonna have a resort day.
A resort day.
Stay in town, Port Angeles. Check out Port Angeles. Ship some clothes home. So that's Vancouver Island. What is that giant mountain there? Okay, maybe that's not Vancouver Island. I mean, that's Vancouver Island over there. And Victoria? I don't know. Okay. Have to check that out. See what the internet says. Now I want to try it.
Oh, I almost took a picture. Because it's all close to that.
Oh wow, awesome. Today we're heading off to Hurricane Ridge to go on the Hurricane Hill hike. It's a 1.5 miles out and 1.5 miles back.
We're talking about laundry.
So what day is it? Friday, Friday, August 2nd. And we're at Hurricane Ridge. Or at the Hurricane Hill trailhead, really. So it's 10:05. And we got the last parking spot that was available in the overflow lot. And in fact, we passed that one guy who stopped at the lot up there. Had he not stopped, he would have that spot, and we would be driving back down to the visitor center. Okay, that wasn't that bad. Getting from the outlots to the trailhead.
We're at the third one down. Those are 2 tents.
This is a great perspective of where I think we're going. All the way up to that hill. This part's pretty steep. I'm not sure if it shows on the video. But so far, still paved.
Loop the arms of my jacket through some of these things and tie it as a belt.
If I were to do this again, I would have said let's go at 7 in the morning to beat the crowds, sort of, and make it a little more peaceful hike. It's definitely beautiful though.
Alex went and sat on that rock. And I took a picture of it. No. She sat on that rock. No. Stay there, girls. We get pictures.
So we're at the top here, along with everybody else. Offshoot from the trail. Yards. What a beautiful view. Because there was a great payoff at the end there, seeing the Puget Sound, or the Strait of Juan de Fuca. The whole trail is paved, which is nice for access for everybody. Of course, the downside is that everybody comes on this trail. There are infants, people carrying infants, there were toddlers, there were seniors like ourselves and older, but it was well worth the hike. So did you enjoy that hike?
Yes, it was great.
Okay.
I can say that now because we're going downhill.
Yeah, it was pretty steep at points, but always on pavement, so
Yeah,
Not-
except
not
for the
difficult.
very end when we went up the dirt part to go
that's
to
true,
the
yeah. The last 100 feet or so doesn't have pavement, but you could do this thing in a wheelchair.
if you have very strong arms.
Yeah. On to the next one.